In this video I want to show how to adjust the dome projection using the dome vectors in HDRi Maker add-on. Add a dome to the scene. As you can see, the image ground is also projected on the vertical part of the dome. I want to fix it. To adjust the projection, we use the Dome Vectors menu, contained within the Dome panel layout. Location LZ moves the full position of the projection on the Z-axis. Ground scale only scales the size of the projection on the ground. I adjust the scale of the dome, this to make it compatible with the size of the car in the scene. The terrain projection is still too expanded at the edge of the dome. To fix this, we can also use Adjust Boundary. Now the projection is correct. You can move the full projection on the X-axis. On the Y-axis. Top LX only moves the projection at the top of the dome on the X-axis. Top LE does the same on the Y-axis. Top LZ moves the top on the Z-axis. Top scale adjusts the scale only at the top of the dome. On the Z-axis. This can be useful to give an extra distance effect. Ground LX and LE move the projection relatively on the X and Y axes. Similarly, ground scale X and scale Y scale the projection relatively on the X and Y axes. Angle, rotate the projection position on the dome. This can also be synchronized with the world background if desired. Blur strength adjusts the blur effect on the dome only. This effect occurs thanks to a procedural node within the dome material. You can adjust the intensity, distance, and even reverse the blur. To get the best blur effect, you need to set a render sampling number of at least 128. Thanks for following the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated on news.